Greet the audience warmly. Introduce the topic. Today, we delve into Islam, exploring why it's considered the true and fundamental religion. Section 1. What is Islam? Define Islam. Islam is a monotheistic faith based on the teachings of the Quran and the Prophet Muhammad. Brief history. Mention the Prophet's life and the spread of Islam. Section 2. Core beliefs. Monotheism. Islam emphasizes the belief in one God, known as Allah. 5 pillars of Islam. Briefly explain each pillar: Shahada, Salah, Zakat, Sawm, Hajj. Section 3. Islam as the truth. Discuss Quranic teachings. The Quran is considered the literal word of God, offering guidance for all aspects of life. Emphasize peace and justice. Islam promotes peace, justice, and compassion towards all humanity. Section 4. Misconceptions and clarifications. Address common misconceptions respectfully, example women's rights, jihad, etc. Provide accurate information and Quranic references where applicable. Section 5. Why Islam matters. Personal reflections. Many find solace and purpose in Islam's teachings. Community and brotherhood. Discuss the sense of unity among Muslims globally. Conclusion asterisk. Recap key points. Today, we explored why Islam is considered the true and fundamental religion. Invite feedback and questions. I encourage you to share your thoughts and questions in the comments below. Closing asterisk. Thank the audience. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content on Islam and other topics. Farewell message. Until next time, peace be upon you. Dash. Tips for creating a video asterisk. 1. Research. Ensure your information is accurate and supported by reliable sources. 2. Visual aids. Consider using visuals like Quranic verses, mosque imagery, or historical footage to enrich your video. 3. Engagement. Encourage viewer interaction through questions, polls, or calls to action. 4. Respect. Approach sensitive topics with empathy and respect for diverse viewpoints.